Assalamu alaikum friends, today we will discuss how to fix Wells Fargo mobile not working on Wi-Fi. We will try to solve this problem in few steps. You can watch the full video. This problem occurs for several reasons. First, check if your mobile date and time are correct. Click Settings. Then click System Settings. Click Date and Time. Then turn off Set Time automatically. Then wait 5 seconds. Then turn on Set Time automatically. Some phone functions are different. If you don't have this option, like me, how do you solve it? Click Settings. Click Search bar, then type Date and Time. Hope you understand. Next step. Then remove your connected Wi-Fi. Then connect again with password. Next step. Click Settings. Click Apps. Then click App Management. Find Wells Fargo Mobile. Click Wells Fargo Mobile. Then click Data Use. Then turn off Disable Wi-Fi. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click About Device. Click Clean. Then click Clean. Open Google Play Store. Then search Wells Fargo Mobile. Click Wells Fargo Mobile. If you get any update, please update. Next step. Then turn off your Wi-Fi router once. Wait a minute. Then turn on your Wi-Fi router. Next step. First, connect your Wi-Fi. Then open any browser. Then type router IP address. Type your router's admin panel password. Click System Tools. Then click Reboot option. Click Reboot button. Wait until the process complete. Restart your phone. Thanks for watching.